Hello guys, Marantz just released two new products, a networked player. It's a CD player with all the features around. It's the 50N and the integrated amplifier, that one, model 50. These two products are derived from the 4N unit. So we see the display here, the inputs and the of the product. This is the integrated amplifier, which is class AB. It's totally analog, has nothing digital inside, and has a power of 2 times 70 watts at 8 ohm and 2 times 100 watts at 100 ohms. So the phono stage that the feature has built in there, it's M for MM and MC cartridges. In front we have the adjustments for bass and treble and balance, accepts 2 pairs of speakers A and B, it has pre-out, it has subwoofer out, so it's very nice designed and very future-proof unit. Has a lot of current compared to the previous model, and it's more well designed with a huge power supply that supports all this power that provides the 70 watts. So it's about to take a look on the back side to examine everything, and especially the internal world of this integrated amplifier. So on the back you can see a phono stage here, left and right channel, and the ground for our turntable. There we have one CD input, which is you see bigger than the others. We have tuner input, line in, line 2, and recorder. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inputs. What else we have? We have here, we have subwoofer output, one subwoofer output, power amp in, if we like to drive an external power amplifier with this integrated amplifier as a preamp, and then we have the recorder here. On this side here we have in and out remote control, so we can connect our player, the model, our player, the 50N for example, in order to synchronize the devices when we switch on the player to be turned on the amplifier as well. So durable terminals here for the speakers, big ones as you can see. We can put here a naked cable. We can connect cable like this thick ones, for example, you see, easily. Or we can connect it here this way. Underneath the amp has 4 feet. It has a plate, an extra plate, this black one, and holes for the temperature. And it looks like this, as you can see. So this amplifier is totally analog, has nothing digital inside, no DACs, no streamers, no Bluetooth, nothing. It has just analog stages from the transistors to the phono stage up here. The preamplifier section there. The transistors installed on this big heatsink and the big transformer. So what else to ask for an amplifier? A huge, a massive power supply and a simplicity in terms of transistors. So here we have 2 pairs per channel of bipolar transistors, class AB guys. The heatsink, the transistors down there, You see two of them. There are 4 pairs in total, 2 per channel. The capacitors here. Suscon company. And here is the inputs, the phono stage, as we said before, of discrete components. All this is the phono stage. And you see the terminals are connected direct to the board, guys. What else to show? There is a chipset there. It's a processor to control everything here, even the protection of the amplifier, the front display, everything, the buttons. So that's all with this amplifier, model 50 from Marantz to 2023 model. It's a beauty, guys, what to say. So guys, here we have the CD player, the 50N. It's a networking CD player. It have built-in the HEOS platform from Marantz. Has HDMI input, ARC to connect your television, and of course plays CDs there. We can see later how it loads the CD. Now we have turned on the system. It takes a bit in order to load. Here the tray of the CD appears. You see, if we close it, the tray goes inside. Now we're listening to internet radio, and here we adjust the volume from the app. Everything is from the app, guys. We control it from the app. So we have on the app, on the HEOS app, we can see the inputs from here: Bluetooth, CD, USB DAC, HDMI input, coaxial input, optical input, set up here for to go to the menus, and HEOS. So here from the HEOS app we have Spotify, TuneIn, Music, Deezer, App Store, History, USB, Music, Input, CD, even CD we can control. If we press the button CD, the player is ready, getting ready to receive a CD disc, and we can stream the CD, the music of the CD to our HEOS network. So in any case we have the remote control to check all the features and all the setup and set up the device properly, but the best scenario is to use the HEOS app 50N from Marantz, guys. This is the remote control here that we are checking. So we have the fixed output. One side is the fixed output, here RCA in proper distance, so don't interference. Fixed output has better quality of terminals. This is the variable output, RCA. Here is the USB to charge or to give power to a USB device or to play songs from this USB. If we don't like the Wi-Fi, we can use the Ethernet there. USB, Ethernet, remote control here for home installation. This here controlling, we can connect these two RCA's orange ones with the Model 50 amplifier, so to control both the devices. Although this is a CD player, we can see here a HDMI input to connect our television, so this player accepts everything. Networking features from Spotify, to HDMI. From USB here to connect our laptop, HDMI to connect our television. So we have 3 digital inputs here, one optical and coaxial, one USB, and 2 digital outputs if we like to use an external DAC. I like the big one, LCAs from the fixed output here. This device will be a hit on the market because everyone likes to have such a player. So inside we can see the toroidal transformer. This is smaller than the Model 50 integrated amplifier. Okay, we don't have such a big need of power here. So here is the digital board with a HEOS version 3 running underneath this processor here. The power supply, the fixed output. The output is very discrete in order to achieve excellent sound quality for the price. You see here's the output stage, the analog one, the CD player here. There are 2 boards. One underneath here has all the power supply, underneath another control signals, and up here it's all the digital section of the product. Up here is all the digital section, guys. This is the chip DAC from ESS, Sabre. So we can see the chipset has XMOS here for the USB DAC. HEOS platform is very flexible. Third version it's available right now. We can create multi-room systems without problem. There are a lot of compatible devices. Here we see the screens, the displays of the products when the lights are switched off of our room. White color are the logos there. This is the logo of Marantz. So these 2 products are very well positioned in the market right now. Integrated amplifier, player. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.